Hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to show you a website you should go to in order to get UGC content. Guys, UGC content is super effective, and I'm going to show you in my ad account why it is and the difference it's made to the performance in my ad account. So guys, let's not waste no time. Let's get into the video. Right now, I'm inside one of my ad accounts and I'm currently running this offer. And this offer, guys, yeah, as you can see for these, yeah, I didn't really get any purchases for these. But guys, UGC content, use it in your ads, guys. It converts. I don't know what's going on. I think people like to see people that look relatable and people that people like to see how the ads, how the product works, how they can use the product, how the just people like to want to see realness. They want to see realness, right? Authenticity. And that's what I've been seeing. Guys, look, this particular, I'm in the ad level right now. This particular ad has gotten us over 30 purchases. This is the date in the last 24 days, right? 30 purchases, guys. Yeah. Now, look, and the purchases are coming in at $28.05, $28. Quality ranking is above average, conversion rate, everything's above average. Guys, this is a UGC ad. This is a UGC ad. And I'm going to show you guys what app you should use to help you get some UGC content that you can put into your Facebook ads and Instagram ads as well. Guys, look. Look at the return on ad spend. I'll show you guys. Look at the return on ad spend. The return on ad spend is, drum roll, over 3.47. 3.47. So that means every dollar I put in, over $3 comes out. Every dollar I put in, over $3 comes out. And this is a UGC ad. So guys, I just wanted to show you how effective UGC is, yeah, before I show you the site that you should use to help you get some UGC content. Because that is what I'm seeing is working right now with Facebook ads, yeah? So guys, I'm going to show you. So you want to go to a website called Billo. It's called billo.app. So type that into Google, billo.app. Right now, they're doing holiday sales right now. And guys, as you can see here, all of these are UGC ads. It's real people, normal people, people that look like you and me using the products. Because that's what people want to see. They want to see authenticity. They don't want to see it being too perfect. They want to see authenticity. They want to see how the product is being used. They want to see it being unboxed. They want to see how the product fits in their space, so the customer doesn't feel like they're taking a risk before buying the product. Because one thing about online advertising is that we're limited to what we can see on the screen, on our screens, right? So if we see an ad that makes that product or service very real to us, where as though we start to think that, oh, if I was to buy this product or use a service, this is the experience I expect to get. The leap from seeing your brand and being aware of your brand to buying your brand will be a much smaller leap. Because just by reducing the risk for the customer feels comfortable to buy the product. That's what I've been seeing. I've been seeing that these types of ads perform really well in Facebook ads as well as IG ads, right? So guys, you want to go to billo.app. And guys, right now, they've worked with all these brands, which is awesome. And look at the types of ads that they're doing. These are the types of ads that they're doing. They're doing video ads, testimonial, how to, unboxing, 360. all of these guys give you a very immersive experience of the product or the brand before you buy it. Testimonials tell you what to expect when you buy the product and how to, when the product arrives, this is how you're going to use it. Unboxing, this is how the product is going to look when it arrives at your door. 360 showcase, this is how the product looks when say if you had it right there and then. This is how the product is going to look if you were to have it right in your hands. And guys, look, these are all the examples that they do. So when you're doing your Facebook ads, these are the types of ads that you want to be doing. Testimonials, how to, unboxing, 360. And guys, as you can see in my ads account, that's what's working. So you want to go to this site. And guys, there's so many UGC sites out there, but this is one of the popular ones, right? So you go here. So testimonials, how to, unboxing, 360. Look at this. Right? And it's very simple. You just basically create a task. And once you approve the creators that you like to work with, so you get to choose the creators. So if you want to choose certain type of creator that's in line with your brand, that's in alignment with your brand, you can choose those creators, right? And all you got to do is approve the content and you're good to go. And then you can use that UGC content in your ads. I feel like people scroll past stuff that looks too perfect. If it's too perfect, in people's minds, they think it's an ad, keep going, not interested. But if it's got the authenticity where it's almost like, oh, is that my friend? Or is that, okay, let me see. Oh, that reminds me of one of my friends. Let me see what he or she has to say about this. Then you've got their attention. And then once you want to order, you just click here, and then it's going to open a page where you basically sign in, and you can pretty much go through this process right here. And guys, look. And it's super affordable, guys. Guys, look. And they're in different industries. So if you want apparel, cosmetics, food, beverage, pet, like whatever industry that you're in, they even do it by channel as well. TikTok, if you want TikTok UGC, YouTube UGC, they do all of that. So these are all those options right here. Another thing, guys, is that we generated over 350K in revenue with 6 ROAS. I believe it, because when I use UGC in my ads, like I just showed you guys, I got over 3x ROAS. So it definitely works, guys. Guys, do not miss this opportunity, because one thing you want to remember with ads is that ads are constantly changing. The effectiveness of ads are constantly changing. So you want to jump on the types of ads that are working right now, so you can get the results quickly, like I've just shown you in my ads manager. All right. So guys, check out Billo.app. And guys, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook ads, how to structure your ads, click the link in my description where I show you step by step how to set up your ads and all that good stuff. And yeah, and so you can actually get results with your Facebook ads and your Instagram ads. Yeah. So as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you in your businesses. So guys, take care of yourself.